Hello friends, welcome to my channel IELTS Wing. Today I am going to share a percentage vocabulary. Before we starting, I introduce the benefits of this vocab. First of all, it helps in making a variation in your sentences. The next is increasing your lexical resources. That means vocabulary part of your writing. And the third one is it helps in avoiding repetition. Now let's start with our first figure is 10%. It can be written as 1/10. The second one is 20%. It replaced with 1/5 or you can say a fifth. The third one is 25%. It can be written as 1/4 or a quarter. The fourth one is 33% or you can say 1/3 or a third. And the 40% replaced by 2/5. And the next common part is 50%. It can be written as a half. And the next 60% is 2/3. And eighth one is 75%. It replaced by 3/4. And the last 80% could be written as 4/5. Now moving to our next part of this video is approximate terms. इसको आप तभी यूज़ करना जब आपकी फिगर्स या परसेंटेज एग्जैक्ट टर्म से थोड़ी ऊपर हो या नीचे. फॉर एग्जांपल 25%. इसको हम लिखते हैं आ क्वार्टर. अगर इसकी जगह फिगर्स हो 26 और 27 तो हम इसको अराउंड, नियरली, ऑलमोस्ट, अप्रॉक्सीमेटली, जस्ट ओवर और जस्ट अंडर भी लिख सकते हैं. नाउ टर्निंग टू एग्जांपल ऑफ दिस वीडियो, आई टेक द पाई चार्ट फॉर एग्जांपल, but it could be line graph, bar graph or table chart. As you can see, this pie chart represents the percentage of your favorite fruits. The first term is 10%. It can be written as 1/10. For example, 1/10 of people preferred peach fruit. Second one is 13%. As you can see, this figure is near about 10%. So you can use here approximate term. For example, around 1/10 of people choose orange. The third one is 20%. It replaced with a fifth. For example, the chart shows that a fifth of people who like to eat pineapple. The fourth one is again approximate figure of 25%, and it is little more than a quarter, so you can written as just over a quarter. Example could be, as can be seen from the chart, just over a quarter of the population liked grapes. And last term is 30%. It also be approximate term of 33%. So you can written as approximately a third. But you can choose anything like almost, nearly, around and so on. Let's see example of this approximately a third of people who like bananas. So that's the end of this lesson. I hope you understand everything related to percentage vocabulary. If you have any doubt, write in comment below and subscribe my channel for latest upcoming videos. Thank you. That's all for today.